So here is a quick short video for those who are very new on Perout, right? So Perout has actually been paying people since 2021. We are just discovering it right now. Okay, so now it used to be free before to earn, but right now, for some months back, they actually activated premium plan. So right now, you can only earn the initial 150 for free, but if you want to keep earning on the site, you have to activate your account. You have to activate your account. You can choose to activate your account for 2 months for 2K or 2 years for 10K, all right? And when you activate your account, you can be able to access all the premium features that they have. If you click on this end here below beside home, you will see micro tasks. On this micro task area, you see different ways that you can earn. You can follow an account, claim 25. This place will say claim 25. You can see the earnings here: 30 naira, 8 naira, install Pampay, watch 20 hours, use that TikTok handle, uh, this click link. So all these things are different ways that you can use to earn on this site, right? Okay, then let's go back to N. You see P2C ads. These are pay to click ads, right? This P2C mean pay to click ads. So on these ads, I will advise you on this area. I will advise you to watch the video. The platform already have videos which are posted on the WhatsApp platform. You can watch them because the videos are more self-explanatory. Okay, so it will really help you. This short video I'm doing will not be able to cover all that. And same with the articles as well. You can read articles, you can also get paid. But please, I recommend you to go back and watch those videos, please, so you can be able to understand this. Same with short links. Short links too, you can click on them and get paid. You can see how much you can click and how much you can get paid for each of the link that you click on. All right, now let's go back to earn. You see other ways you can earn. Now you can refer, like you can see here. If you refer up to 3 people, you can earn around 2,700 naira just for referring up to 3 people in 7 days. So you can share your links with your friends and loved ones so that they can register and also get paid. So there are whole different ways to get paid. And once you have up to 150 like this, let me go back to my account. Have up to 150, you can be able to withdraw. Now let's withdraw this so that you can be sure that it's actually working. Yes, you can withdraw up to 150. I'll just withdraw. Maybe I'll just withdraw the balance, so I can just type 150. So first you enter your account. For those who don't know how to withdraw, and yeah, I go to search for OP or Paycom. Then input your number, input your name. Okay, so that's it. So you can now continue. All right, so that's my account actually. Cannot continue. Now you decide to input how much you want. Let me just input 150, but I can actually withdraw all the 180. But just this is for you so you understand how it works. So confirm payment, and that's it. So that's it. So you can actually track the status of your withdrawal. These are the withdrawals I have made. These are the ones that are still pending. The withdrawal take 3 hours to 48 hours. Okay, if you withdraw, okay, 3 to 48. Sometimes it can just take some few minutes and yeah, you have gotten it. So you can see these ones, I've gotten them to my bank. This one is pending, and just this one too is pending. I withdraw this one. That was yesterday night around 9 p.m. yesterday. So this one is today's withdrawal. As you can see, I just did it now. All right, so that's basically it. This platform is legit, they are paying, and if you ever have any issues, you can always DM their admins. Now let me show you where to, in case you want to have any issue. You want to message the admin. You can see my money I've withdrawn. You can see the balance now. Go to this me here. Go to this me here and come down. I would recommend you message. You should click on the WhatsApp one so that you can message the admin on WhatsApp. They respond fast on WhatsApp. You can also talk to them on X and also on Telegram as well. You can also join their group so you can follow up. Now to activate your account, if your account is showing active, that means that you have activated it. If it's showing activate, it means that you have not activated it. Remember, you can only withdraw even your initial 150 that you earn for just signing up. You can withdraw it after you activate your account, and the activation is just 2K for 2 months. All right, and it's also 10K for 2 years if you want to go for 2 years. All right, so if you are new, I would advise you can start with the one of 2K, which lasts you for 2 months, and you can earn a whole lot of money. For example, I just registered a few days ago, and I've already earned more than 5K now on the platforms, and something I did with 2K, and that's just it. All right, so you can earn as much as you want just by doing tags and signing people up, and everything is actually very, very clean and legit on the platform. I hope you understand. If you do have any question, feel free to ask in the group. Thank you for watching.